In this video, we're going to work on our long E pattern. Now, the long E sound says its name, E. Yesterday, we focused on the long E patterns that were vowel consonant E, EA, and EE. But today, you'll notice that there's 4 more patterns for long E. There are so many ways to spell the long E sound. Go ahead and say the long E sound with me. E. It says its name. Let's jump right into it. We'll try the EY pattern. Go ahead and draw 5 dashes with your whiteboard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You should have drawn with your whiteboard marker 5 dashes on your whiteboard. If you need to grab your materials, you can pause right here. The word we're spelling together is money. Money. Already I hear that it ends in the E sound. Money. And I know I'm using EY, so I'm putting that here. Money. Money. Go ahead and put around your EY the color. Mine is purple. You can put whatever color you're using for EY. Money. M-O-N-E-Y. Let's try one with just the Y, not the EY, but just Y. Go ahead and draw yourself 6 dashes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 dashes to practice spelling the word hungry. I know what it means to be hungry. That usually happens to me before lunch. Hungry. It still ends with the E sound. So I'm going to put that Y at the end. Hungry. Hungry. Gree. Go ahead and circle or box the color for the Y pattern for your E sound. H-U-N-G-R-Y. Hungry. Let's try one with the IE pattern. Go ahead and draw yourself 6 dashes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The word we're going to practice spelling is pieces. A whole can have a lot of pieces. Small pieces make up the larger whole. Pieces. Well, I can hear it starts with pieces. And I can hear the long E sound already. Pieces. So I know I'm using IE. Pieces. Can be spelled a lot of different ways. In this case, pieces. I'm going to go ahead and box or circle with the color for the IE pattern for long E. Pieces. Go ahead and make sure you do the same. P-I-E-C-E-S. Pieces. Now to practice spelling long E with just an E, go ahead and draw 5 dashes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The word you're going to write is equal. Equal. In math, you can have 2 parts that are equal. When we talk about people, we also say that people are equal to one another. Equal. I can hear in the beginning of the word E, equal. I know I'm just using that E, so I'm going to put that right here. Equal. That's the Q-U. Equal. You can hear at the end, equal. Equal. I'm going to go ahead and box in the color for just an E for equal. There we go. Now let's practice them. I'm not going to tell you which pattern to use. Are you ready? Go ahead and start with 5 dashes. 5 dashes. The word you're going to write is emote. When you emote, then you're showing your emotions on your face. Can you hear how emote sounds like emotions? Emote. If you want time to think, then pause the video here. E-mote. There's my O consonant E from before. E-mote. I'm using just the E for my long E sound in the beginning. Emote. E-M-O-T-E. Let's try another one. Go ahead and draw 4 dashes. 1, 2, 3, 4. The word you're going to spell is body. Your body has lots of features and characteristics. Body. If you want time to think, then pause the video. Body. It ends with E. Ah, that's the short O. Body. Body. I'm gonna go ahead and use my, oh, not that color. I'm gonna use my pink to show body. That long E can be spelled with a Y. Be careful, some of us are making mistakes when it's not the same as the vowel sound, when the letters don't look the same. That Y can still be a long E sound. Let's try another one. Let's do, okay, this will be 5 dashes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The word you're gonna practice spelling is chief. A chief is someone who's in charge of a tribe or sometimes just in charge of a group. Chief. If you want time to think, then pause the video. Chief. Ch. E. Ch. E. It can be this one or this one. If you spelled chief, C-H-I-E-F, then you spelled it accurately. Go ahead and box around that I-E pattern. The letters I-E make the sound E. You might already know what our last one is going to use. Go ahead and draw yourself 5 dashes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The word you're going to spell is honey. Honey. You can think about Pooh Bear and how Pooh Bear and other bears like to eat honey. 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 It's like money, but honey. Go ahead and put a box or circle around the E pattern. We get E with EY here. Remember, there are lots of different ways to spell the long E pattern. It says its name, E.